Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix WhatsApp duplicating photos. So if your WhatsApp keeps saving duplicate photos on your phone, here's what you can do. For that, first of all, you have to check Media Auto Download settings. Open up WhatsApp, make sure you're signed into your account, tap on Storage and Data, and then under Media Auto Download, you need to make sure that it is set to Wi-Fi or never. This prevents WhatsApp from repeatedly downloading the same images. After that, you can simply turn off Save to Gallery or Camera Roll. Head back to Settings. Simply tap on Chats. Simply turn off Save to Photos button. If you use WhatsApp Web or WhatsApp Desktop, you can log out and log back in. Sometimes syncing issue causes media to be saved twice. Also check if you have a backup available on your iCloud or Google Photos, syncing the same images again. Make sure backup is enabled only once. And finally, update WhatsApp from the App Store or Play Store because bugs in older version can cause duplicate photos. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the